Hi, today I'm going to share with you my homemade microdermabrasion paste recipe. If you're not familiar with microdermabrasion, it is the removal of dead and dull surface layers of the skin to stimulate an increase in collagen production and rejuvenation. After using this homemade microdermabrasion paste, you should notice an improvement in the skin's tone and texture and color. Overall, your skin should look brighter and softer. To make this homemade microdermabrasion paste, you need just 4 ingredients: baking soda, water, coconut oil, and lavender essential oil. You'll start by adding all of your ingredients into a small bowl. First, add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of water. Next, you'll add 1/8 teaspoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil has natural antioxidant properties, which make it great for stopping wrinkles and skin irritation. Finally, add 1 drop of lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is a natural antioxidant which can restore skin complexion, reduce acne, and slow the signs of aging. You will then stir until your mixture resembles a thick paste. Be sure to store your homemade microdermabrasion paste in an airtight container, like a mason jar. To use this homemade microdermabrasion paste, you'll simply apply it to clean skin by rubbing in a circular motion. And then wash and pat dry. I hope you give my homemade microdermabrasion paste recipe a try and share your favorite microdermabrasion paste recipe in the comments below. Be sure to share this video with friends and family. Thanks for watching.